Put some baking soda into the balloon. Oh no, no. Oh. Now put some white vinegar into a cup. Do you think that's enough in here? There's about this much. Just getting a little more. Okay, that's probably good. Look how much you've spilled. It vanished when I touched it. Now, get the cup of vinegar. You might want someone to hold it. And then put the balloon on it. Should we go outside for this? And then the balloon grows. Didn't know you were gonna do that. Having a little trouble. Don't I know? Don't I know? And he got it. Du, 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 du. Can we pop it? Should we do it outside? Pop it. Good job.